In this video, we're going to discuss comparing data types in Python. So numbers are compared arithmetically. Strings are compared character by character basis in the same position within both strings. And if the characters are different, then their Unicode value is compared. The character with the smaller Unicode value is considered to be lower. Lists and tuples are compared via an ordered comparison of every element in the sequence. And in order for the two lists or tuples to be equal, every element must also be equal. Dictionaries are compared with the equal operator, that's the two equal signs in a row, or the not equal operator. And in order for two dictionaries to be equal, they must have the same set of keys and the same set of value for each key. Some common branching errors are to use the single equal sign to check for equality rather than the double equal sign. The single equal sign operator is the assignment operator in Python. It assigns a variable to a value. Another common mistake is using invalid operators such as not greater than. You can't have an operator that's exclamation mark and then a greater than angled bracket. That's not going to work. And you can also get a type error exception when you're doing a comparison that just doesn't make sense, like comparing the number 5 to a string. So keep in mind how different data types are compared in Python when you're using the logical operators. Let's do some data type comparisons in Python. Let's create some variables. A is 5 and B is 7. A is equal to B. Print same. Else we will print different. All right, are they the same or different? Let's see. So they're different, but if they were both the same, 5 and 5, it's the same. Okay, let's try some strings. Appficial with official. Are those the same or different? Different. But if we change them both to Appficial, same. So that's, string comparisons are comparing them alphabetically. What if we capitalized one of them? Are those the same or different? Now they're different. So don't forget, Python is a case-sensitive programming language. And if they were pretty much the same, but even if one of them had an extra space, still different because the lengths are not the same and there's this extra space which makes it a different string. Let's try comparing lists. 1, 8, 7, and another list 1, 8, 7. Are those the same or different? Those are the same list. If we change it a little bit to 186, different. And if these were tuples, just simply change the bracket to a parenthesis. Now they're tuples. Those are different, but if they were the same number in both, the same. And finally, let's compare two dictionaries. So dictionaries use the curly brace and their key value pairs. So let's just say that 3 is Jordan and 33 is Pippin. Let's just copy this, stick that right there. It's going to compare both key value pairs in both dictionaries and see that they're the same. And I believe after Jordan retired, he changed his number from 23 to 45 when he came back to the NBA. So now these two dictionaries are a little bit different, so it prints out that they're different. One other thing I forgot to compare is numerical expressions. Let's try this. Let's say 5 compared to 3 plus 2, which is also 5. Are those the same or different? Same. But if you said 3 plus 3, different. So you can see comparing different data types is pretty simple and straightforward in Python.